Unit 7 test.
Was William Shakespeare the greatest writer in the world? Well, a lot of people think he was. He wrote Hamlet, Othello, and many more well-known stories.
But what do we know about Shakespeare's life? He lived about 400 years ago, so we haven't got a lot of information. But we know he was born in 1564 in a small town in England called Stratford-upon-Avon.
He grew up in Stratford-upon-Avon, and he went to school there. But he didn't go to university. He married when he was 18 years old.
Later, Shakespeare left Stratford-upon-Avon and moved to London. He wanted to be an actor, and all the most important theatres were in London.
Shakespeare became an actor, and later he became a writer too. He wrote Romeo and Juliet when he was 28. It is one of his most successful plays and is still popular today.
When Shakespeare was older, he came back to Stratford-upon-Avon. He bought a big house with a beautiful garden, and he lived there with his family. Sadly, he died when he was only 52.